Let's go, Megan. You got this.
He's in the back. You know what to do. Carly, head up, head
Stay
up.
heavy, stay heavy. Pull it down, pull it down. Hook the leg. There you go. Get heavy on the hips, heavy on the hips. No, get the hook.
Head up. Good, good. Head up if you're going to put your arm back there. Head up.
Grab the leg.
Protect your head, Carly. Head up. Good, good. Sit straight up. Push your back.
Pull it down, pull it down.
Straight up.
Pull it down.
Watch your arm. Protect your arm.
Get that grip off you.
Protect your arm. Try to get your back straight. Posture. Good. Break the leg.
Go for that leg once she stands up.
Get her flat on her back. Get her flat, Carly. Good. Don't let her go to the side like that.
Go ahead. Grab the arm. Grab the arm. Don't let that arm go.
Carly, get her down.
Don't let that arm go.
Push her down. Good.
Grab the leg. Go for it. Go for the leg. Go for the leg. Keep your guard.
Keep your back straight.
Go for the leg.
Posture, Carly. Posture.
2-on-1. Break the grip.
Posture, Carly.
Go ahead.
Don't grab her arm. Posture up. Keep her down.
Go ahead. Yo, you got the grips.
Keep her down.
Go for the neck. Get that grip in the collar. Get the grip in the collar. Get the grip in the collar. Come on. Come on, Megan. Get the grip in the collar. Go higher up. Go higher up. Don't let that grip go.
Push her down.
Go higher up. Go higher up.
Don't grab her wrist.
Go higher up. Get that hand in the collar.
Good.
Get the hand in the collar, Megan.
Put your knee on her butt. Put your knee on her butt and push.
Get the hand in the collar, Megan.
Keep her flat. Push her stomach.
Break her grip off. Swipe the grip. There you go. Push. Yeah. Get heavy. Get heavy.
Grab her ankle.
Get heavy. Watch the left foot. Watch your left foot. Keep your leg up. Move your leg up. Good. Go for the arm.
Turn into her.
Grab the arm.
Turn into her.
Go ahead. Hook that arm.
Carly, turn into her.
Take it from her.
Carly, turn the other way. Don't give her your back. All right, grab your ankle.
Keep it. Go for the back.
On your back.
Swing that left leg under her. Swing the left leg under her.
Get your arm back in.
Swing.
Good. Turn into her.
Yeah. No, keep that. Take the back. Get the hook in. Get the hooks in. Roll.
Keep her flat.
Go. Stay heavy. Get perpendicular. Fix your legs. Fix your legs. Grab your shin. Megan, grab your shin. Good. Yeah. Don't let that go. Get the back. Oh.
Good. Get on top. Top position.
Keep on fighting. Fight through. Squeeze that.
Put your weight on
Go
her.
ahead.
Carly, get up.
Push your legs through.
Put your weight on
Push
her.
your legs through. Close that guard up.
Down on her.
Good.
Drop your hip.
If you gotta recover.
Put your hip
There you
on.
go. Fight. Come on, get up.
Your leg lock. Watch the leg lock. No, they weren't doing it. Carly, fight. Corner guard. Get the leg.
Come on, stay heavy. Hook that
leg.
right arm. Hook the right arm and take it. Throw your right head. Put your right leg up.
Go your back. Don't give me
Put your right leg up and then just throw it over her head. There you go.
Turn into her.
Swing that around.
Turn into her.
Roll over, Megan. Roll.
Good. Break the guard.
There you go.
Break the guard.
Hold her down. She doesn't have a base.
On your knees.
Go ahead. Take it.
Posture up.
Get heavy. Clamp down. Grab your shin. Adjust. There you go. Take it.
On your knees.
Take it. Go for the arm.